Hello to you watching. So this is going to be a really quick update of my Pan That palette, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I probably should have done this like a week ago, but I just haven't had the chance to, because I finished, I think, Lyra. I mean, you can see 3 empty pans there, but I think I have one. So what I've been using, the shades I've hit pan on are body highlights. So I've actually been like depotting them into this little Wet n Wild container. And so I finished Lyra, and then I depotted Eclipse into this, so the Eclipse is inside this container that you can't see. It's fine. But yeah, it's in there. I take like a fingerful out and wipe it all over my body because it's officially summer weather, and I liked, like you can see now, I'm like crazy glittery. That's just, it's what I do. I wear a lot of glitter in the summer. Anyway, so that's 2 shades completely done. And you can see there's a dip in Luna, the white shade up on top, because that's currently my highlighter. You can see it on my cheekbone now. I've expanded the pan on Helia and Orion because I've been using it as inner corner highlights. But yeah, I think if summer keeps going the way it's going and I keep wearing glitter the way I'm wearing glitter, I might be done with this palette. Let me see. June, July, August. I could see myself being done with this palette by fall. So like September 21st. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So, making good progress. And hey, this palette will be 2 years old in November. So, I love the idea of repurposing, like, not repurposing, but like using the highlight as body highlight as well as face highlight. Because I have at least 2 full-size backups of highlighters. I have the Urban Decay highlighter in Sin, and then I have a completely unopened Flexitarian by ColourPop. And then my friend Rachel gave me 2 of the Balm sample highlighters that she got in Ipsy, and since she doesn't wear highlighter, she gave them to me. So I've got those 2, and then I've got the Pirates of the Caribbean from Lorac highlighting palette, and a Too Faced highlighter. So like, this is me making my body glitter and not apologizing for it. Alright, told you this was going to be super short. Take another look at all the pan in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.